I'd be like, what?
Action!
You don't have to be quiet.
Okay.
I'll tell you if I can see you. Stand up, Jesse. You cannot see you.
Why?
Try to jump up.
Alright, let's. Did you move it?
No. Hi, future students.
Okay. If you want any points at all, you need to compute this determinant correctly and simplify. Otherwise, it's all over. It's all over.
It's all over.
Okay, so what do you want to do? Should I generate
talk
zeros?
about it.
Should I just compute the darn thing? What?
Synthetic division.
Generate zeros.
Yeah, I did that.
Sure.
But it comes out hard.
Synthetic division.
What do you mean? Wait,
I generated zeros. It's easy.
Okay.
No, I got zeros, but I got like gnarly
Actually,
answers.
no, I tried to generate zeros and then it came out wrong.
Yeah, I got
Wait,
4x minus
you said
18
generate zero, so what?
with the bottom one.
Because other class didn't want to generate
Use
zero,
negative
so we just
1.
multiplied it out. Doesn't matter, it's gonna come out no matter what you choose.
Use negative
first.
1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. And you multiply
I don't know.
by 2
Just
and
do
3.
it,
I
man.
don't know either.
Okay, so you want to get zeros here and here, then, right?
Yeah.
So what do I need to multiply this by? So when I add it to that, to get zero.
It comes out to be 4x minus
2. So
18.
multiply by 2 and add.
Oh god.
Multiply by 2.
2x minus 16.
2x minus 16. You have to write it over there.
Yeah.
And then add.
Oh, 3x minus 12.
Multiply by 2.
Wait, what are we doing?
We're two.
And add.
X squared minus 19.
Yeah, it's not that bad, okay?
Yeah, I did that.
What do
Come
I
on.
need to multiply this by? So when I add it to this, you get 0.
3.
So multiply by 3 and add. Multiply
4x
this by 3,
minus
so you get
18.
3x minus 24 and add it to that.
4x minus
4x minus 18. Multiply by 3 and add. Negative 33.
squared.
So that's x
X
squared
squared
minus
minus
29.
29.
Okay, now, this is the most common mistake. Is this the negative or the positive position?
Positive.
This is a positive position, so it's going to be negative 1 times what you get when you cross this up. So it's going to be this times this minus that times that. So you're going to have
Yeah.
this.
I
No
got
matter
there.
what, you're going to have to do algebra, people.
Oh man.
Wait, so should I just
This
stop
times
there?
this minus that times that.
We're on video.
Oh,
Wait, too late.
too late.
Chu is saying make it easier, generate more zeros.
What?
Oh no, like from the
How
first
can you
one,
what?
Because since you can multiply any row and subtract it from another,
Yeah.
subtract the second one from the third one, multiply by 1, and subtract it, so you get 1, 2, 1, and then 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus
Oh, yeah. Okay, but realistically, Lee, most people are not going to do that tomorrow. In fact, most people might not even generate the zeros tomorrow. You guys, some of you don't even have a plan.
Wait, so should we not do that? Because I did that and I'm
I
like,
don't care what you do. You gotta get to the point where you're gonna get points. You haven't gotten anything
what's
yet.
the best way to do it?
I don't know. This way was good, but the other class we just went across the first row. That was fine.
Wait, so after that you just hardcore algebra it out?
Yes. Algebra. Exactly.
What?
Okay, let's do this.
No, I got
Okay, how do you multiply this?
Oh,
And
you
you know
like-
what's another problem? I bet you some of you not gonna even distribute their minus sign. Some of you might not even put parentheses around these things. 4x cubed minus 18x squared minus 76x plus 342. Is that right?
Yeah.
Is this the only?
Can you guys even do that? 18 times 19?
No, I did that. Then I called it quits.
Good. X. 3x cubed minus 12x squared minus 87x plus. Oh my goodness. What's 30 times
Yeah, I don't
360?
break out the
348 then, yeah?
Wait, Mr. Parker,
Do you have a
is there
calculator?
better way to do this?
What?
Is there a better way to do this?
There is only.
Well, I'll tell you what, we just went across the first row in period 1. It's the same amount of algebra.
But they have the
You
same-
just gotta do algebra.
Really?
The numbers didn't get this big though in the other class though.
Oh, because they want.
You just gotta pick up what the. Okay, so if you distribute that minus sign, you're gonna get x cubed minus 6x squared. Oh, look, it's all lined up. Plus 11x minus 6 equals 0. Oh, so this actually, this negative 1 didn't even matter then, yeah? Because when you divide both sides by negative 1, didn't even matter. So even if you forgot the negative side, well, just got lucky. Okay, now how do you solve cubic equations? We've been doing this the whole season. Division. Now I am not gonna do it. You guys are gonna do it.
Wait, why did you cross out the negative one?
Divide both sides by negative 1.
Isn't it a positive
That
one because Oh wait, no, never mind. Never mind.
If you divide both sides by negative.
Divide both sides by negative 1.
Just wanted to see something.
So what it is,
So you
never
can camera,
master
right?
it.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter.
Ever.
In this
If it's
problem.
-1.
In this problem.
Wait,
Okay, because it equals 0. What if it was equal to 1 though? Then it would make a big difference, right?
Oh.
Okay, so if you do synthetic division,
Or oh,
you will get this. Now I'm telling you right now, Tang and Tanaka and Tuilima.
Wait, I did this problem.
Hey.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm
Accusation?
gonna check this problem, and if I just see you just wrote that down, I'm gonna take off mine. I wanna see synthetic
Okay,
division.
okay. I quit at
Oh,
that one.
unless you have it memorized.
Yeah.
Like,
I haven't memorized.
Because like this came up like 6 times this year, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
Okay, never mind, I'm not gonna check it.
Yes.
So therefore, x equal 1, 2, 3, there you go.
I just have
3
hardcore
answers.
algebra still.
Okay, I'm telling you, this is one of the 8 problems tomorrow.
Wait, so he's not.
To get any points at all, you gotta get this right there. Otherwise, it's -8.
What?
But that's like that's the bulk of the work to get there.
No, then you gotta do synthetic division.
No, but that's the
That's
easy
easy.
part.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. If you don't get the correct cubit, then you go try synthetic division and nothing's working.
No, it should
You
be
cannot
6
solve the
points for
problem.
that one.
Wait, Mr. Part, so what did the other class do?
They just went across the first row.
Like, did they do
3 times this minus that times that. Minus this
Oh,
times
that's
this
kinda hard.
times this minus that times that.
Oh, that's
Plus
hardcore.
this times that. But it came out, it comes out, it doesn't matter.
Was it easier?
Yeah, wait, which one is
Uh,
faster?
Like I said, these numbers were bigger, but the other way, small numbers, but you have more terms though, right?
Well, do we have a calculator?
No, there's no calculator.
So we won't have the phone number?
No. You already proved to me that you can do it, or you proved to me that you can't.
Or the
It
word?
was not tasty. It was negative.
Wait, so what was the phone number?
Oh yeah.
Okay, if I tell you now, you get minus
No,
1.
it's okay.
Oh wait, he told us.
Oh wait, he wasn't
Wait,
in
did
there.
you
I was
already
about to shout it
tell
out.
Okay, next. Okay, you guys said you want to do more problems? Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because some of the
CH, I
videos
mean,
do all-
CH.
I'll pick it up.
It's still gonna be
We're winning.
No, you're not.
Here I am.
Okay, number 5. Number
Remember
5.
your
Sure.
noisiest video?
No. Number 5.
That's
How
not
hard
hard.
in the quiz, okay?
Number 6.
Okay, number 6.
Please.
It's like this, but like stepped
No,
up.
it's number 3.
No, that's just the inverse.
Oh, never mind. That's easy. Never mind.
That's
Oh my
fine.
god.
Yeah, how about read the problem first?
At least I attempted it.
No, you
Look,
didn't. Let me
Tang
see.
actually came in for help this morning.
Oh, that's.
Anthony told me to suck up.
He was the only person to come in for help. See, but it was important
I hope
because he
your
was
swear word
forgetting
got
his
caught
plus
on that.
minus plus thing. That's fatal errors tomorrow.
Oh man.
Flip off the camera.
Okay, it says find 2 solutions for x. Now this problem came from the Oahu Math League 40 years ago.
What?
It was an actual problem 40 years ago. So you're supposed
Is
to
that when you were
find
born?
2 solutions for x. Now I'm gonna give you a hint because I don't know if you guys could do it. Because nobody's gonna like compute the whole darn thing, right? That's crazy.
Zero.
I'll give you a hint.
Oh.
If one column is a multiple of another column, then
determine 0.
the determinant is equal to 0. So what we want to do is we want to do some operations so that you can clearly see one column is going to be a multiple of another column.
Oh, sneaky.
Okay, now there's
What?
one that's just staring you in the face already. Look at these 2 columns right here.
Oh, that's sneaky.
Look,
Yeah.
look,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
like
Yeah.
Come on.
look, it's telling you, hey, I'm somebody.
Yeah.
Wait, which one?
Just look at these.
Oh.
What can I do with this and this to get something?
A plus B.
No, that's correct.
Yeah, A plus
That's
B
correct.
quantities.
Yeah, so basically he's,
You have to square-
what
you
he
have to
meant to
square
say is, just apart, just add these 2 columns then, right? In other words, multiply this column by 1 and add it to that, because that doesn't change the value. So just add the 2 columns. Cool, I'm just gonna write it here. A plus B, what happens when you add these 2?
Wait, why can you add?
Oh, it becomes A
That's
plus
like
B
multiplying by
squared.
1 and add.
A plus B squared.
Oh.
Remember, if you multiply a column by a number and add it
But
to
you're
another
multiplying
column,
it by 1.
yeah. A plus B quantity squared. What happens when I add these 2? A plus B
cubed.
quantity cubed. Now compare that with this column here. What does x have to be so that that will be a multiple of that?
-1.
A plus b. If I plug in a plus b for x, isn't that exactly what this is? So therefore it's a multiple. It's a multiple of 1.
Wait,
If
what?
one column
What?
is a multiple of another column, the determinant is 0.
That's trippy.
Wait.
Are we gonna have a problem like this on the?
I'm gonna tell you everything. The next person that asks me what's on the test, I'm not gonna give you any more hints anymore.
Do it.
Can you put this on the website tonight? Because I don't know what just happened.
Then listen on
Wait.
the video.
Yeah, can you put it up tonight?
Yes,
so I can
as
watch
soon
it?
as this class is over, I'll do it.
Okay.
Leave.
So wait, which row did you add it to?
These, first of all, you add these two.
You add them like that, or you're adding.
Multiply by 1 and add it to
So you're
that.
adding it to the third one.
Second and third.
What do you mean?
Because you're just adding.
Watch the video.
Multiply this column by 1
Yeah.
Add it
and add it to
Because
this.
you're adding it to the third one.
Yeah,
Oh, you can.
then you get
And then
this.
the second column's still the second.
Yeah.
column.
Exactly.
So
So
you've got the
actually,
third
these
column.
numbers are in the third column.
matter,
So that's the new
Doesn't
third
matter.
column.
You could go.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna write the whole thing again.
Oh, so that's the third.
Okay, that's one answer. Okay, now, another answer. Ooh, must have something to do with the fourth column. Let's see if we can figure it
Oh,
out.
good.
What do I do with the fourth column?
Multiply negative.
No, it's like by B.
Okay, choose Caesar, what about everybody else?
Negative.
It's coming.
What can I do with this fourth column?
Add A. Just kidding. Didn't add A.
What can I multiply it by so when I add it to another column,
minus B.
I can get something good?
Exactly. Remove it from the second.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. Look at these two.
Second one.
What do I need to multiply? The hint is the 2 there. Look at these two.
Multiply
Negative 2.
by-
What do I need to multiply this
Negative
by?
one.
So when I add it to that, you get 2. Negative 1.
Wait, does the negative one make it one?
Okay, multiply this column by -1 and add it to this. Go.
1.
Add it to that.
2.
Multiply by -1 and add.
0.
A.
Oh.
Multiply by -1 and add.
A squared.
Multiply by -1 and add.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now compare it with this. What does x have to be so that it's a multiple? There you go.
Oh my gosh, I said
Oh.
A at the beginning.
Boom.
Wait, did I say -1 at the beginning?
The answer
I'm erasing this video.
That's a tricky one.
No.
Here's five, here's five.
I need it.
Okay, now number 7. Remember we did a problem like this yesterday, number 7? Did you guys learn from it? Okay, I'm telling you right now, there's a problem just like this on the test, except I told you yesterday, it involves trig functions. So period 1 asked me to give them a sample, so I will give you a sample too. Because I don't want you to be blown out of the water.
Is this going to be taxing to take a quiz?
What?
Is this going to be taxing to take a
I don't know, we're taking longer than expected. Well, you wanna go now? Since we're videoing it?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Intermission. Provide entertainment for the kiddos. Come on, Tang.
Stop tarnishing the video.
Oh, do I need a calculator now?
Yes.
Well, so your videos are kind of quiet.
That was like. Did you edit them?
No, 'cause you
That's
can't.
when the kids were smarter.
Bring that chair.
Yo, can I proctor?
Dude.
Quick, I swear on the video.
Take a selfie.
Okay, here. This is the exact same one I did in period 1. Okay, given a 3x3 matrix A such that A sub ij is equal to, what was the one we did? Tangent I minus 1 pi over 6 plus tangent j minus 1 pi over 6.
Holy.
Compute the determinant of matrix A.
Guacamole.
I'm blown out.
Wait. What?
Compute just the determinant of matrix A.
Use a pattern.
Okay, so first thing you gotta do is you have to compute matrix A. You gotta figure out. Now, if it's 3x3, There's 9 elements here. You gotta compute all 9 elements.
Ridiculous.
I'll give you ridiculous.
Okay, so this is 1, 1. How do I figure out what number goes there?
Plug in.
You plug in 1 for I and 1 for j, just like you did in the other 2 problems on the homework. Except the only difference is got trig. What's the difference?
0, 0.
0, 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. I'm gonna write it over there because I don't know if you guys realize, but there's patterns that some of you just not seeing it. You think, oh, these are all random things. No. Okay, this is 1, 2. What happens when I plug in 1 for I and 2 for j?
Is that I minus
You
I?
get 0 plus,
No, it's minus 1.
which
1 minus
is
2 is
1 over root 3. Root 3 over 3. Or 1 over root 3, doesn't, I don't care which one you use, it's the same thing. Hey, Mr. Park.
This is another problem.
This is 1, 3. Plug in 1 for I and 3 for j now.
So that's 9 over
0 plus tangent of pi over 3.
That's beautiful.
Root 3.
I don't know how he's getting these
It's root 3, 1. That's
Plug
I
in.
and
numbers. How are you
J.
getting zeros?
No,
Wait,
you
what
have
is
I
the
and
Because if you plug in 1 here, you
1
get
minus
0.
1.
1
Oh,
minus
it's a
1 is
1.
0 and
I thought it was
tangent
I minus
of
j.
0 is 0. What?
I thought it was I minus j.
Just get back.
Okay, this is 2, 1. Plug in 2 for I and 1 for j. You get root 3 over 3 plus 0. Notice the okay, so 2, 2.
Tangent pi over 6.
Plug in 2 for I and 2 for j. It's going to be root 3 over 3 plus, what do you
0.
think? No. 3 over 3, look, there's a pattern going on here.
Oh, so.
No, that's not right, that's 2 root 3 over 3. Okay, 2, 3. Plug in 2 for I and 3 for j. Root 3 over 3 plus
Root 3.
root 3. So that's going to be 4 root 3 over 3. Because you got to make least common denominator.
This one will be
Okay,
3.
this is 3, 1.
It's gonna be like root 3 plus 0.
So
Root 3
it'll
plus
be
0.
root 3 plus 0. Now, you don't even have to plug in numbers, you just look at these numbers that you have here, right? Okay, so what's the next one going to be, without even doing any work?
Root 3 plus 3.
Root 3 plus
3
whatever
over
number
3.
you have over here, right? Root 3 over 3. What is that? 4 root 3 over 3? And then finally, going to be root 3 plus
Root 3.
root 3, which is 2 root 3. Now you can compute the determinant. So once I have this, I can ask lots of questions. I can ask compute the determinant, or I can ask you compute the cofactor. Oh, but if I ask you to compute the cofactor, then you really didn't have to do all 9 then, yeah?
Yeah.
We did it yesterday, it was on last night's homework. Okay, here, what if I ask you, what is the you know what? Because I really don't want to see 50-somethings on this test, you know? This is the easiest test of the course. What is the cofactor of a sub 2 3s? Okay, what element is in the second row, third column?
4 root 3 over 3.
Okay, so if I cross out the row and column that it's in, basically you just gotta go this times this minus that times that. Look, it's so easy. What is this times this? 0 minus, what is that
1.
times that?
1.
1. But
Which
that's
position?
in the negative position, so you gotta multiply by negative 1. So the answer is
1.
1.
Psych.
This is in the negative position.
Oh.
Positive.
This times this is 1. We have arithmetic issues. That's the problem.
That's. I thought that was evident.
Why is root 3 plus root 3 over 3 4 root 3 over 3?
What?
Wait, what elementary school did you go to?
Wait, isn't it?
Wait, no, just answer the question. What elementary school did you go to?
No, I don't want to.
Say it.
Trinity Christian.
Get your money back.
Yeah, isn't it?
You make a least common denominator like that.
Where you
That's like 3 root 3 over 3.
1 gorilla plus 3 gorilla is 4 gorilla.
There's a lot of people from Washington.
There's only like
and then it's over.
Anthony, David, internet. It's just
But it's good that I clarified that.
Her squeaky voice is forever gonna be on your video.
Wait, let me take a pic of
Wait,
it.
can you
Okay,
record
no,
your
wait,
file?
wait.
And I want to
video.
bring up one more thing that's gonna be on the
Just
Facebook.
trying to get in the video.
I'm not.
Video.
Get out of my way.
Okay, do you guys remember, we did this problem twice. If I give you 3 points in the Cartesian plane.
Oh,
Triangle.
this thing.
Triangle.
Right?
It's all
Okay,
one.
so here, let's put in some, what does that look like, 6, 2?
This is just
Yeah.
one.
Okay,
No,
what
it
does this
is.
look like? 1, -3.
Negative
Third
2,
row,
6.
that look like
Negative
2,
What?
5, just make up numbers, whatever. What's the fast, okay, what if tomorrow I say, compute a determinant to find the area of this triangle?
Make it to a matrix.
One half.
Thank you. Okay, so what was it?
3 by 3. It's 1/2 times the.
So you go 1/2 times the absolute value of the determinant.
Yeah.
How come you gotta do absolute value?
How can you be doing
Because it depends which
Legs are
order you
always
put the
positive.
points in. Remember I told you, if you put
Counterclockwise.
the points in counterclockwise, it'll come out positive. You put it in clockwise, it comes out negative. But then see, if it doesn't really matter which way you put in the points, then, right, then you don't even need to draw a picture. So how does this work?
You put the
Put
excess.
in the points like this. Let's put it in counterclockwise.
Where did the
Now what do I put in the third column?
Ones.
Okay,
Wait, why?
because that's how it works.
That's just how it works.
Why not like 0 or like?
Yeah, why not like
Well, just think about it.
5 or like.
If you put zeros there, the determinant would be 0, therefore the area is 0. I don't think so.
Oh,
That's the theorem.
Oh.
I didn't prove the theorem. Do I need to prove the theorem?
No,
It'll
no,
take me
no.
about 15 minutes.
No.
Okay, so does everybody understand? You guys can do this tomorrow? I was stressed. Okay, here are the most, I get this problem almost every year. Here are the most common mistakes. They forget the half. They forget the absolute value.
Wait, the absolute value is at the very end.
Huh?
So you find the determinant divided by.
Yeah, because the determinant might be negative. You cannot have negative area.
Okay, so you don't absolute
Because if
value.
anybody gives me negative area tomorrow, I'm going to take a fipple.
Is that a word?
Wait. Wait.
How can you have, there's no such thing as negative area. That's why it's absolute value.
Which number is it?
Now, see,
That's
you know,
the
every year,
argument.
maybe students get confused and they think, oh, that's absolute value. No, that's determinant. It's the absolute value of this determinant.
So the
multiplied by
determinant
half.
might be negative, and then you just time that by half, and then you take the absolute value of that.
No, you.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Which comes first?
It doesn't matter. Okay, think
No,
about it.
I'm saying it doesn't matter which comes first.
Okay, any other last questions?
Can Anthony have a strike
Hey,
for the video?
you can't do it for the
This video's
video.
tainted.
Do it for the fun.
Now, for those of you who you guys better start. Oh gosh, I don't know what, man. You guys gotta practice. This is the easiest test of the quarter. You just gotta practice though. This is not like a highly conceptual where you don't need to practice. This is just all skills.
I'm more conceptual.
I don't like the kind of test.
I like the.
Well, then be prepared for 50 something then.
I like to live dangerously.
Are we betting on this one?
Okay, we are done. There's 11 minutes left in the period. Wait, let me make sure. Okay, everybody smile.